Hi there, this is Penelope. This is a video for FS3128 on solving equations. Now you notice this is where the thing that you're trying to find, the r, is as a power. So we either have to use logs or powers. Well, obviously it is a power, so we're going to use logs. Now because it's 10, we're going to use log to the base 10, and we're going to take log to the base 10 of each side. Because as you know from the rules on the left-hand side, then this becomes just 3r plus 1. And I don't need to write that little 10 anymore. Now, being very careful, because this is where some of you will go wrong, you want to take 1 away from log 12, like that. So put log 12 into brackets, then r is equal to dividing both sides by 3, again, making sure that you make your calculator do exactly what you want, and then that will give you the answer that r will equal 0.0269. That's approximately equal to 0.0264.